From the chiseled features of Hollywood stars to the sculpted lines of ancient sculptures, a sharply defined jawline has long been linked with beauty and vigor. It's a feature that spans nations and periods, grabbing our attention and affecting our views of beauty. But what is it about this facial feature that has such allure? The explanation likely resides in a complicated combination of evolutionary biology, societal standards, and aesthetic preferences. A strong jawline, especially in males, is typically seen as a symbol of masculinity, strength, and good health. It shows a powerful skeletal structure and highly developed musculature, features that would have been helpful in our ancient past. For women, a pronounced jawline may be as beautiful, frequently signaling youthfulness, athleticism, and a healthy bone structure. It may contribute to a harmonious face symmetry, which studies have proven to be generally considered as beautiful. While beauty standards may alter over time and differ between countries, the attractiveness of a strong jawline remains a constant, a testimony to its deep-seated relevance in our collective awareness. To understand the role genetics plays in sculpting our jawlines, we must first look into heredity. Our bodies are elaborate mosaics sculpted by DNA, the molecule of life. This genetic blueprint controls features like eye color and height. Genes, fragments of DNA, carry instructions for our bodies. Each gene carries the instructions for a particular protein. We inherit 2 copies of each gene, one from each parent. These copies may not be identical. Variations in gene sequences produce human variety. Some alleles have a bigger effect on attributes. Genetic differences and environmental variables affect our jawlines. Numerous genes contribute to the form of our features, notably the jawline. These genes regulate the mandible and adjacent tissues. MyBPC1 impacts muscular growth, influencing the masseter muscle. A strong masseter muscle helps to a pronounced jawline. BMP4 regulates bone development and mandibular shape. Certain BMP4 alleles are connected to a prominent chin. While our genes provide the basis for our physical traits, including our jawlines, environmental influences play a key part in creating the ultimate product. Just as a sculptor shapes clay, lifestyle choices and environmental circumstances may improve or reduce the genetic code we inherit. Diet, exercise, and general health. Jawline definition. A diet rich in minerals important for bone and muscle development may create a stronger, more pronounced jawline. Regular exercise, especially face exercises, may strengthen jaw muscles, promote muscular tone, and improve circulation, adding to a more sculpted look. Conversely, bad diet, lack of exercise, and unhealthy behaviors may have a deleterious influence on jawline definition. A diet deficient in key nutrients may damage bones and muscles, while a sedentary lifestyle may lead to muscular atrophy and a loss of definition. Understanding the relationship between heredity and environment is vital for grasping the dynamic nature of our physical traits. Our genes supply the blueprint, but our lifestyle choices define the finished artwork. The proportional effect of heredity versus lifestyle on jawline definition is a complicated issue with no clear solution. It's a delicate tango between nature and nurture, with each aspect exerting its effect to varied degrees. In certain circumstances, genetics may have a more prominent impact. Individuals with a family history with strong, defined jawlines may acquire a hereditary propensity for these qualities. Conversely, persons with a family history of weaker jawlines may have an uphill struggle in acquiring a chiseled look. However, even with a less favorable genetic hand, lifestyle choices may make a huge impact. A devoted workout plan, a nutritious diet, and an excellent overall health may boost jawline definition, even in persons without a strong genetic tendency. Ultimately, it's not about taking sides in the nature vs. nurture argument, but rather comprehending the interaction between these factors. Our genes offer the starting point, but our lifestyle choices decide the eventual destination. The ancient adage, "You are what you eat," rings especially true when it comes to face structure, including jawline development. The meals we eat offer the building blocks for our bones, muscles, and tissues, influencing their development, strength, and general health. A diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, and protein is vital for strong bones and well-developed muscles, key components of a defined jawline. Calcium found abundantly in dairy products, leafy green vegetables, and fortified meals is necessary for bone growth and preservation. Vitamin D gained from sunshine exposure and specific meals like fatty fish and egg yolks assists in calcium absorption. Protein, the building block of muscles, is vital for maintaining and strengthening the masseter and other jaw muscles. Lean meats, chicken, fish, beans, lentils, and nuts are good providers of this crucial vitamin. Conversely, a diet heavy in processed foods, sugary beverages, and unhealthy fats may lead to bone loss, muscular weakness, and weight increase, all of which can severely affect jawline definition. While we commonly equate exercise with growing biceps and reducing waistlines, it may also play a key part in sculpting our face structure, notably our jawlines. Regular exercise, especially focused face exercises, may strengthen jaw muscles, promote muscular tone, and improve circulation, adding to a more sculpted look. One such exercise includes clenching and unclenching the jaw for multiple repetitions, activating the masseter muscle. Another exercise includes tilting the head back, staring towards the ceiling and puckering the lips in a kissing gesture. This technique targets the muscles behind the chin and along the jawline. In addition to specialized face workouts, regular cardio and muscle training may also indirectly help jawline definition. Cardio activities assist burn fat and improve general circulation, while strength training develops muscular mass throughout the body, including the face. Just as we exercise our bodies to be healthy and toned, including face workouts into our routines may help maintain a more youthful and defined jawline. While genetics and lifestyle choices play crucial roles in sculpting our jawlines, the passage of time also leaves its imprint on our facial features. As we age, our skin loses elasticity, collagen synthesis slows, and fat deposits under the skin reduce, leading to a loss of volume and definition in the face, particularly the jawline. The masseter muscle, responsible for a finely defined jawline, may also decrease with age, adding to a less sculpted look. Additionally, bone loss, a normal component of aging, may damage the mandible, resulting to a less pronounced jawline. While we cannot halt the aging process, we may adopt lifestyle practices that promote healthy aging and decrease age-associated changes in our face features. A good diet, regular exercise, and adequate skincare may help maintain skin elasticity, retain bone density, and keep face muscles toned. The science of facial genetics is relatively young, but scientists are making major gains in understanding the intricate interaction of genes and environmental variables that create our features. Researchers are uncovering particular genes connected to numerous face traits like jawline form, revealing insights into the genetic foundation of facial variants. One important person in this discipline is Dr. Seth Weinberg, a biological anthropologist at the University of Pittsburgh. Dr. Weinberg's study focuses on understanding the genetic and developmental foundation of craniofacial diversity, especially the variables that impact jawline form and size. Another important researcher is Dr. Joan Ritzmeier, a biological anthropologist at Penn State University. Dr. Ritzmeier's work focuses on understanding the genetic and environmental impacts on craniofacial growth and development utilizing advanced imaging methods to analyze skull shape and growth patterns. These scientists and others in the field are deciphering the secrets of face genetics, giving significant insights into the elements that contribute to our distinctive looks. As we've studied, the form of our jawlines is not dictated by a single gene or environmental element, but rather by a complicated interaction of several effects. Genetics builds the basis, offering a blueprint for bone form, muscular growth, and fat distribution. Lifestyle choices, including nutrition, exercise, and general health, act as sculptors, polishing and molding the genetic code. A nutritious diet, rich in critical nutrients, stimulates bone and muscle development, while regular exercise strengthens jaw muscles and increases muscular tone. Environmental variables like sun exposure and pollution may also affect skin elasticity and collagen formation, impacting the look of the jawline. Age, a normal and unavoidable process, leads to changes in skin elasticity and muscular development, bone density and muscle mass altering jawline shape throughout time. Understanding this intricate interaction is vital for grasping the dynamic nature of our physical traits and the various elements that contribute to our individual looks. In a culture frequently focused with obtaining a set ideal of beauty, it's vital to remember that genuine beauty comes in our individuality. Our genetic legacy, formed by years of lineage, is a monument to our originality, a tale imprinted in our DNA. While a highly defined jawline may be visually pleasant, it's simply one minor component of our entire look. True beauty involves a beautiful combination of physical, emotional, and intellectual traits, each contributing to the fabric of our existence. Rather than aiming for an unreachable ideal, let us appreciate the unique blueprint we've received, celebrating the variety of human characteristics and acknowledging that genuine beauty rests in the eye of the observer.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.